So we're going to practice a few questions, and also I'll pitch in some here and there concepts. We are still in capital structure. Also tomorrow morning also we'll have capital structure. Maybe tomorrow morning we'll be done with it. So I have 4 questions prepared for today. Let's see how far can we go. So this is the question for you. Please attempt. Let me.
Viraj,
Yes, please.
Shailendra here. Do you want to try with paper now rather than Excel file?
Yes, I think that's better.
Because I understand that it is going to be a written exam.
Yeah,
I think it will be better if we can do that,
absolutely. I
prepare ourselves.
totally
Otherwise, calculations and others become a big problem for us.
I totally agree. I totally agree. Have a calculator with you, and most especially, they won't allow the scientific calculator. If you have the normal one, that would be better because you will get a hand in that.
Yeah.
1 second. Sami is asking. So the two changes that we need to do, one is with the pen and paper, like I was saying. The other one that we need to focus on a little bit into theory. And when you focus on the theory, when somebody asks you a very basic, straightforward question like what is capital structure, you already know the answer. It's just if you think about the questions that we solve, whatever we do, that is what is capital structure is. If you just think about that and tell anything that is coming to you, it will be somewhere similar to what is the definition of the capital structure is. So but we need a little bit of attention towards it, that's all. Maybe once we are done with the whole thing, we can take it up and we can have a conversation with ourselves only. Maybe I can ask you and you can tell. In that way we can have a kind of run through. We will see how to really pitch in there. uh,
Yeah, that's definitely a good idea.
mhm.
I think that's really going to help us.
Yeah. So okay, fine. Let's go into the question. So this is the question for you. The If you look at the last sentence, it asks also find the WACC value of the form. So you just need to find the WACC value of the form. Please let me know if you are stuck somewhere. If you need clarification in any of the sentences.
I think we did this in the last class, right, Dheeraj? Hello.
No, I don't think so. Did we? Anybody?
Yeah, I remember like 15 to 14%. You explained me like you and myself were there in the last discussion.
No, no, no.
I
We
think
did a similar one. We did a similar one, not exactly this one.
okay.
Have done exactly similar ones we have done, but not exactly this one. So the values are slightly
Got it.
different. So the answer will be different.
Got it.
Yeah.
James, can't you use the calculator available on the laptop?
That calculator is not same as the calculator that you would be using. So better to have a calculator with you only.
Yeah, because I don't have calculator at my hometown. It's there in
Is it? Then you'll probably have to purchase one.
yeah, but lockdown, right? So
Yeah, that is
not
there.
available.
I mean, make some arrangement or
Let
make.
me order online.
No,
Yeah, scientific calculator, right?
No, 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 no. A normal calculator, not scientific. They don't allow scientific.
So can't we use the laptop calculator, the standard one?
I don't think they will allow. I mean, considering the strictness that they are now adhering to, saying that everything has to be pen and paper. I don't think so. So let's not take the risk. That's what I
Okay.
totally agree with when Sal said that we should actually change it to pen and paper right now, because if it is, then if we are doing through Excel and suddenly pen and paper, it is a whole different thing. So
Correct.
literally right now, when we are changing, we have to go back to the topics that we have already covered, because the calculator is whole lot different for
Mm-hmm.
WACC, for capital rationing, for capital budgeting. Everything is different.
Okay.
So
Absolutely.
we'll practice though, because we have enough time to practice, and we'll practice through pen and paper. But better to have a calculator with you. That's the safer side. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll place it to him again.
Please.
Dheeraj, in this question, it says earnings level of 4.75 crore, right? Third line.
It has earnings level of 4.75. That is your EBIT.
Okay. Oh, so EBIT is 4.75 crore.
4.75. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is the WACC 12.95 for the first one?
That is correct. Yes.
Yeah. Dheeraj, I got 12.95, but then the second part, no, the managing director of the firm believes
Correct.
to replace debt by additional. So what do you do for that?
So please.
Instead of 15 crore, it'll be 20 crore.
Instead of 15, no, they're reducing the debt. No, they're reducing the debt. Yeah.
Okay, so then 10 crore.
Then that's 10 crore. Yes, that is correct.
Oh, I took it 20 crore. Got it.
Yeah. So they're reducing the debt by 5 crores. So that becomes 10 crore. Your cost of debt is also different. EBIT remains
Okay, yeah.
same.
Then
Yeah, EBIT remains same, and cost of equity is also changing. So those are your factors.
yeah, fine, Dheeraj.
Dheeraj, so EBIT will reduce. No. Okay. Now let me calculate and then tell you.
No, EBIT will remain same. It is given in the question only 4.75.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's coming as 12.66.
12.66 is the correct answer. Yes.
Okay.
Now, what is your decision?
So it is better to go for the change as per the managing director.
Perfect. It's better to go for the restructuring. That is absolutely correct. So I'll do one thing. I'll post this question in the group. If anybody has not completed one to refer to the data, you can refer there. In the meantime, I'll share one more question for the people who have already completed. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, there is 12.66.
Correct. Correct. So now I'll give two questions together because I want to do some analysis through it. So give me 1 second. So the two questions that I said that I'd post, the first one I've just posted. So this is the same question that we practiced the last time. I just modified the values. In my modification, if you are getting any time doubt, then just ask me. And the second question I'm posting right away. Give me 1 second.
Hello, Dheeraj?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah,
please.
I pasted one of the question, which is like somewhat
Mhm.
similar to what you had like projected on your screen. It says ABC company instead of JK Enterprises.
I'm sorry.
If you just see the chat window, I have shared
Mhm.
on chat window. ABC company has rupees 15 crores. It is exact the same question what you had shared.
Mhm.
So I was referring by mistakenly, like I thought you had resolved this, but I had resolved it on my own. This was the question.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. I got your point. I got your point.
It has same values, right? Almost like exactly same question.
What is your answer? I cannot check one on value, so it'll take time for me. What is your answer for that question? Can you tell me?
Yeah, WAC like WACC, it is 12.95% for current, and after
Perfect.
replacing that, it is 12.67%.
Perfect. That is absolutely correct. So you can
And
move on to these two new
yeah,
questions that I've just posted.
sure.
Yeah, yeah. I'll.
Not able to see the screen.
Dheeraj, what is the total, this one, uh, equity is 27.5 in the second one, right?
1 second, Sal. Sami, the new questions I have posted in the group, WhatsApp group.
Sorry.
Equity,
Oh, okay,
no
okay.
problem. Equity shell for the current one, it comes to 21 crores 66.
21.67 is right.
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah.
The second one,
Second one is 27.50.
that's right.
Perfect. You've total
So
value.
I have to refer the. Sorry,
Please.
go ahead. Please.
So
I have to go through the values which is given in Excel sheet, right? Next to
yes,
that
yes,
problem,
yes.
like
So
2
instead
lakh.
of,
Okay.
yeah, let me just very quickly brief it. In the first question, EBIT is not 1 lakh. I've changed it to 2 lakhs for all three cases. And debentures is not 10%, it's 11%. And the values are 4.5, 6 lakh and 4 lakhs. The cost of equity is instead of 12.5%, it's 13% of all three. So exactly similar way, you can take it for the next question. Yeah, yeah. So I'll share those questions here also. Give me 1 second.
You sent it in the WhatsApp, right?
Yes, yes, sir. I've sent it in the WhatsApp.
Okay.
So for these questions, the calculator use is very basic. So I'm not pitching in there. I'm not telling you anything extra. Just if you're finding anything difficult, let me know while using the calculator. In calculator, you will need my help while specifically using the PV calculation, those IRR calculation and all of that. When we'll be taking those up going forward, I'll give you some shortcuts here and there.
Dheeraj, the total value of the firm is it 1607692 for the first one, case one?
Yes, that is absolutely correct.
Okay, fine. I'll do the rest then. Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Dheeraj, for the second one, is it 12.44, then 12.26 and 12.5?
12.44, 12.26, and 12.5 is the correct answer. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Dheeraj, I've got it.
Awesome. Move on to the next question.
Dheeraj, is the same thing you have uploaded twice, right?
No. I have not. I think so. No.
Yeah, like last time you see the second part is different. It is overall
I see.
cost of capital instead of overall
That is absolutely
capital.
correct. Yeah. Did you get that, Josie?
No, I didn't understand, Dheeraj.
So if you look at it, the third item in the first picture, it reads cost of equity capital, right? And the
Okay,
second one
this
is
is
overall capitalization. Yeah. So
okay.
the first one was cost of equity, and the second one that was overall cost of capital is given.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Anybody facing any difficulty in the second one? It was slightly tricky. If you remember, we were calculating the value of the firm first. So earlier we had that logic of calculating overall cost of capital by dividing the EBIT by the value of the firm. Using the same formula, we can actually divide EBIT by the overall cost of capital in order to calculate the value of the firm. Go from there, please. I think we're just left with 2 minutes for this call. We can join back.